into the gully. Parking ni bên này. Tu lah pan selfie dan step-step new baju lah. Awak sih ke mana? Yo selfie. Deh, sudah Raipur pan selfie buriu lah.
Wei selfie.
Lan mohon bat. Hah? Nih. Lan mohon pat bam lah. Bam ta. Halo, halo selfie.
चलो बाहर हम लोग बाहर में आएगा हम लोग
बाहर में आएगा?
हाँ।
अभी थोड़ा
वीडियो बनाओ ये सामान नहीं
सामान में रखो पहला।
देगा बाहर में निकलेगा
हाँ।
अभी कहाँ जाओगे
नागपुर।
नागपुर
आप कहाँ रहता है? इधर में? आप बोलो ना नाम क्या क्या?
हाय गाइस मेरा नाम संजय कुमार साहू मैं छत्तीसगढ़ का निवासी हूँ हाय
आप बोला सब्सक्राइब लाइक यूट्यूब पे।
गाइस ये हमारा चैनल हमारे भैया का है इसको सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक
मेरा चैनल मैं नहीं आपका चैनल मेरा चैनल दोस्त में चैनल
आप भैया का चैनल माय दोस्त का चैनल
ताकि भाई क्या काम करता है? क्या काम करता है?
होटल में
होटल में इधर में?
हाँ तो हम लोग
क्या नहीं मिला है? आपका नहीं मिला कार में?
जो हम लोग बैठा हाँ हाँ वही तो कैसा नहीं देखा रात में नहीं रात में देखा बाइक देखा आपका
आपने कुछ किया पर ठीक है ना?
ओके
dah sekenduk mulai tenat bak-bak semua. इधर में लाल चाय होगा ना? हाँ? लाल चाय होगा?
लाल चाय
हाँ। हाँ?
होगा
क्या है तो?
लाल चाय बन रहा है 2 मिनट रुकना पड़ेगा
इधर आओ
हाँ
डालो डालो अच्छा
अभी आ जाओ
आ जाओ डॉन
डॉन आ जाओ चलो लाल चाय पीना
हाँ
आ जाओ
một là thăm là chữ âm đằng bên là chữ đây một như là long good morning Parlong di kita di kesini ke Bandung Riau kan terintah kat center ya min ngap right lai spa kilometer tang lai spa dan Nagpur kenduk Polonga pada nong tam Baru udah perlok sa Nagpur kali ngihap cross sa Maharashtra mentang ngihap dari sa Maharashtra. Yang sekenduk mah mentah deh. Apa sih? Mas nak bang lagi tak?
Bike.
Price?
No,
Bike average.
Average of what?
Mileage.
Mileage 35.
35.
Highway.
अबे यार और रास्ता का माइलेज लाने लगे हैं
कैमरा है ये वाला
Yes.
फ्रंट बैक दोनों जाता है ये कैमरा
Kau minta mo? Apollo no? Apollo high nanti subscribe.
feeling really very good to meet these guys.
Oh?
I have also a dream to travel the world, but I'm married.
No, you can always do.
No, not now. My priority is my husband and my wife and my children. These are my two living goals.
When they grow up, you travel, huh? When they grow up, when they are grown, when they are adults, you travel. Don't wait. Life won't wait for anyone. Yeah. Dah, dua lagi. Oh? Sa si 4,5 kilometer sa Nagpur. Tadang highway tank. Niya ski nomor ba kadang jan tang light spa. We have reached halfway. We have crossed Maharashtra. I mean, we have crossed Odisha and reached Maharashtra, 150 kilometers away to Nagpur. It's 11:30 right now. Maharashtra mo unta. I've entered Maharashtra already. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Ju GPS. Setang sanpau kilometer, setang 10 kilometer sa Nagpur ngidang mes mentah, mes nadu atah. Masang yang map isi mo. Itu. Lihat bertemai ke map. Itu rungasan guys, ini rungasan. Hei. Ini rungasan, ini rungasan. Oh. Stop untuk ai hả? I've reached Nagpur, just waiting for my friend, rockstar, the rocker, Karan. Hi man!
Hey man, how are you doing? Welcome home. Finally good to see you. You are alone? Where are you friend?
No, he got lost. It's okay.
Okay. That's my shop, this is my house.
Oh wow.
So
I was thinking this is your bike as well.
Yeah, that's my bike. How's the ride so far? You guys are taking it easy, huh? Total easy riding? You guys are doing total easy riding, huh?
Yeah.
How was that Jhua? What place you stayed yesterday?
Yesterday?
Yeah, on the Orissa-Chhattisgarh border. Kyonjhar. How's that place?
Yeah, it's good, man.
Yeah, never heard of it. I've never even heard of it.
I think it's better than some.
Actually, we never took that. We always took the Sambalpur route. Yeah.
No, it's on the way only. It's just 1 kilometer away from the house.
Never heard.
Plenty of.
I remember back then in 2011 when we had gone to Calcutta, that time it was, get out of here fast, don't stop here. Don't get booted and all that. We go upstairs, huh? Yeah, I just had a great time.
My friend is a new rider, so
Achha.
let him get lost. It's okay. Because,
It's okay, you'll find.
no, because I want him to learn as well.
Yeah. Which one is this? 500? You see?
350, yeah?
350, okay.
Yeah. 1012 model.
1012.
Yeah.
One of the first ones. They came out in 2011, I think.
Yeah, maybe. So busy. When are you planning to ride from here?
29th.
29.
So about 21 of us are riding together.
21.
Yeah. So 2 guys are coming from Hyderabad, 2 guys are coming from Pune. So, but we'll all get together 200 kilometers before the venue.
One yang tiap hari nama platam yang apa ni? Sampai ke dalam. One yang start. So I need to replace my EU, yeah?
You need to replace what?
My accelerator cable.
Okay.
It's hard, quite hard. So
Just 1 kilometer away.
Yeah, just adjust my chain, just that.
Yeah. I'll just ask him till what time he's open, his workshop.
I can go now as well.
Yeah, it's just on this straight road, you know. You keep going one square, second signal, you gotta take a U-turn, you'll see the RE showroom on your left hand side. Yeah. I mean, when you're going, you're right. When you're coming back, it'll be on the left.
Main road, right? Not this.
No, not this road. That's the main highway.
From the signal.
Yeah, just under the bridge.
Okay.
Just keep riding under the metro bridge, you'll get there.
Okay.
That's it. 2 signals, and then from third signal, you have to take a U-turn.
Okay.
Authorized. It's an authorized showroom.
Okay.
Yeah. Just tell them.
So how's the highway from here to Gokarna?
From here to Gokarna should be good. From here, but
Have you taken that road?
long back.
Long back.
Long back. I mean, it was a single lane highway back then. Yeah. Now it's all good. I mean, if you take the Nagpur, there are 2-3 routes. You take the Nagpur, Kolhapur, Solapur route. Okay. Or you take the Hyderabad route.
I don't know which one is feasible, which one is good.
Let me find out, because one of our friends recently did it.
Because I'm gonna go to
Once we
Gokarna.
settle down,
Yeah.
we'll find out.
2 of us is okay?
Absolutely, you come. I mean, you guys, as long as you guys are comfortable.
It's okay, man. It's fine with us.
I have a double bed, you guys can take that. I have a couch, I'll take that. Okay, we have enough parking space.
Yeah.
My beast will be guarding our bikes.
Me and my friend Anu. This is Don from Shillong.
Okay.
Like Don, no? The Don.
Come on, then. I know more Dons from Shillong as well.
Yeah.
Hi, Don. How are you, Don? I'm good. Nice to meet you.
So what do now? We'll park on.
First you want to unload the bike.
Hi Anu, man.
Thank you.
So now finally we are here.
Yeah, the rockers and motor rockers are in the house, and we're going to be rocking you at RM soon.
I'm so grateful that Anukaran is like giving us this place to put up.
Most welcome. This is the space for bikers. I just stay here.
Yeah. So look at his collections, man. Shit. All the cassettes. That's Aerosmith's Get a Grip also. Very nice album.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing. One of the best albums when they came back.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah,
All
so-
3 albums, you know, Permanent Vacation, Get a Grip,
Yeah.
and Pump.
Yeah. You got a nice place, man, here.
What?
You got a nice place here.
Yeah, it's thanks to grandfather. You see, that's my older dog sleeping.
Oh, wow.
He sleeps all day.
Just like my
Too
dog.
old.
Yeah.
Just gets up to pee and poop and eat.
Same.
He's 16, almost 16. Tough guy.
Very tough, man. And that's your workout space? That's your workout space?
I mean, it used to be. Now, I mean, the bench press is completely broken. So now I just do my push-ups and bring the dumbbells in the room. Yeah, that's it. It used to be, there used to be a whole covered thing, you know. I mean, I had a whole with a net and everything. So it used to be concealed and all that. But a couple of years ago, we had such massive strong winds, everything blew off. Then I didn't make it again. And I mean, yeah, that's our party space at night. We usually just party there with a bonfire.
Cool. So you formed this club, right?
Yeah, 2004.
Wow. I was still in college that time.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I formed my first band 2004.
So recently I was.
Yeah. Tingin lang sudah pale kapait. Atleta lo yang benar. Thank you, brother. Apa itu West semua? Ami tak boleh sai. Sampai tertuai store mah. BK wine shop direction. Dah. Dah kalik dah ni mah, tek dah tek mah.
Can you do that one more time? Bojo? Bojo? Wait. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Bojo, Gumi?